Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. I'm back with another quick CVS video and this will be a very short video. I didn't pick up much, but I was able to roll some of my extra care box. Thanks for joining me once again, and if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. I hope you like what you see and I hope you become a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I picked up is buy 2 get $10 extra care box bag, and Eucerin lotion is part of this deal. I'll pick up 2 of the intensive repair lotion, the 5 ounces, priced at $6.99 each. Both are going to total $13.98. I have a $2 coupon I'll use on each one that will drop it down to $9.98, and I'll get $10 extra care box back, making both free and a 2-cent money maker. The next deal I'll pick up will be on the spend 20 get $10 bag on Colgate Optic White Oral Care. I'm going to pick up the Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste, priced at $7.79, and I'll also pick up the Renewal, priced at $11.99. Both will total $19.78. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Optic White Renewal, and we have another 3 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to both that will double dip. I also have a 4 off 20 oral care CRT. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, is going to drop it down to $9.78, and I'll get $10 extra care box back, making both free and a 22-cent money maker. I have a $2 baby wipe CRT that I'm going to use with this item. This is the toddler cleansing wipes, 48 counts, and it's priced at $2.09. And after the $2 CRT, it will cost me just 9 cents. I checked out the Eucerin deal, the Colgate deal, and the baby wipes, and all my coupons came off. I used a $3 off your next purchase email CRT I received to help with this deal, and I also used $15 extra care box, paid $1.95 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back the $10 for spend 20 on the Colgate toothpaste, and another $10 for the Eucerin. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $3.05 money maker. This next item I'll pick up is not giving back any extra care box, and that's the CVS Health Kids toothbrush. It's priced at $5.99. I have 2 of the $2 off CVS Health Oral Care CRT, and I also have a 2 off 6 Oral Care CRT. That's a total of $6, and this item is priced at $5.99. For this deal to work, because the CRT is more than the price of the item, make sure you do this deal with the cashier, because if you do it with the self-checkout, it's going to kick off one of the CRTs. I went to cashier for this checkout, and this worked out very well. One of the CVS CRT adjusted down to $1.99, and I got this free, pay $0 out of pocket. The last item I picked up in this video is a Firefly Smart Toothbrush. It's originally priced at $29.99, but it's on sale for $5.99. I checked one of my older accounts that I don't use anymore because of the CRTs, and I noticed I have 2 next purchase CRT, a $3 off and a $2 off, so I decided to use it with this item. That took off $5, and I only paid just 99 cents for it. One other thing that happened was all the CRTs that are printed at the end of the receipt, all of them extended till next Sunday. I hope that means that it's becoming active again. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for being here, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.